Parabola Tables allows you to view your data output directly in the live flow. Today, we'll be working with some sales data. Here we've created a flow to help us get information about profits for the central region sales. In the flow right now, we generate a few CSVs for output and email them to various recipients. Usually the recipient will then need to download the CSV and view it in either Google Sheets or Excel. Let's see how we can create a table to view our data right here in the live page. From the builder, you can create a table by using the Send to Parabola Table step. Let's try to replace our CSV steps with a new Parabola Table step. To create a table, simply drag in the Send to Parabola Table step. Once it's connected to data, all you need to do is give your table a name. So let's call this Profits by Year. Here we have the option to keep our table private or allow this table to be used by other flows. If we check the option, any user with permissions to the flow will have access to this table. Let's create a few more tables. Drag in the table, connect it to data, and give our table a name. Now that we've created 3 Parabola tables, let's publish our changes and run the flow. Here we can see that the Send to Parabola table is part of our enabled destinations. Cool, now that the flow is finished running, we can see all of our data right here from the live page. Parabola Tables allows us to easily view our output data while staying close to our flow. The flow provides context when we need it, but we can also just view our data without going into the flow if we want to do a quick check. For example, if I just want to check in on Detroit, I can see quickly all the sales for Detroit. From the live page, we can also easily share these views by simply sharing the flow with other members on our team. You can also use Parabola Tables to create data to use in other flows. Let's see what that looks like by creating a new flow. Here we can use the Pull from Parabola Table step to see the previous tables we've made and use them as data sources. This can be helpful for caching or customizing data for your flows. Here we have the table that we had filtered down in our previous flow. You can also view where your table came from by clicking the View Flow button. This will take you to our previous flow that we just created. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to learn more about how you can unlock value with Parabola Tables.